So this is the first video of the array playlist. Today we will be solving what is linear search. Okay, so let me tell you what is linear search. Have you ever understood a concept like suppose this is a let me tell you. Suppose you are standing in a line, okay, in a line, and you are right here, and before that, so this is a prayer line, okay. Suppose you are standing right in here and there are some other people in front of you, in back of you and all that. From here the principal asks you, hey, where is, this is person X, where is person X? So of course the principal will ask him, are you X, are you X, are you X? Suppose just take it as the principal doesn't know anyone in the class, okay. So the principal will ask the first person, are you X? Second person, are you X? Third person, are you X? Yes. So what will happen? It will take the this person. One second. Okay, I can select it. One second. Okay. So it will take this person and take it out. Okay. Take it out of the line, and it will just talk to it. This is what linear search is. It will, what did it do? It will go from line by line, means person to person to person to person. And then if it finds it, it will take it out of the line. That's it. This is what linear search is. This is a very basic example of what linear search is right now. So let me show you by an algorithm perspective. Suppose we have an array like this. Okay, draw this thing. Suppose the array is split into like this. Okay, here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3, here we have 4, and here we have 5. This is the 0th position, this is the 1 position, this is the 2 position, this is the 3 position, and this is the 4th position. If you have come here, I would assume that this array index positions, you know that it starts from 0. Okay, it doesn't start from 1. Okay, so we are supposed to find, the principal told to find me the 4. The 4 is here. How will it find? It will go from here to here till the end. Okay, let me show you a dry run of this. Suppose the array's name is AR. Okay, ignore my handwriting, it's very bad, I know. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, suppose, yeah, we will be using a for loop. Okay, AR of I. Suppose the I, wait, we will take a for loop starting from I is equal to 0. So I is in here. Okay, so ARR of I. Okay, which means, wait, let me tell you that how do we get this value. Okay, suppose ARR of I is 0. Okay, so it means we will be using a for loop. Okay, like this, for I equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length and I plus plus. Okay, like this is the for loop that we will be using. Okay, so let me tell you how it will work. We will suppose ARR of I. What is the first value? ARR of 0. We will check it with k equals to 4 is equal to 4, means this is, suppose this is the principal. Okay, and this is asking, am I 4, am I number 4? What is ARR of 0? It is 1. So no, here ARR of 0 means 1. Okay, so what will you do? We will increase the pointer I plus plus to the next one. Okay, so I will cut from here, I will go to here. Okay, ARR of 1 equals to 4. What is ARR of 1? It is 2. So no, I plus plus again. We will cut it from here, we will go in here. So what is the next value? ARR of 2 equals to 4. What is the second value? It is 3. No. So we will again cut it. We will again increase the pointer through 3. What is the next value? ARR of I equals to 4. Now see. ARR of 3 equals to 4. What is the third value in here? What is the third value? It is 4. So it is a match. So from here we can just return 5. That's it. That's it. It is this simple. And let me tell you also the time complexity of this. So what is let me tell you one thing. Suppose we have an array of length 4. Okay, we have an array of length 4. Okay, there can be a case where the teacher finds out, asks for 5. So the entire array will be traversed again to find this. So the worst time complexity will be big O of n. Sorry about that. Big of n. Okay. And if we using any space complexity, like are we storing any value, any array, something like that? Don't tell, like, don't think that this is all taking a value. This is a temporary array. In Java, these things get cleared by garbage value and all. So it doesn't matter. So we are not storing any temporary value. So what is the time complexity? Big O of 1. Okay. This is linear search. Let me show you how the code will look like. One second. Do I have my IntelliJ IDEA open? One second. I can just directly do it in here. Okay. I don't need it anyway. Let me increase the pointer size to 20px if you can guys see. Okay, let me see. What is this? Given an array AR of integers n and then find whether the element x is present in the array, return the index of the first occurrence of the x in the array, or -1 if it doesn't exist. Okay. In here, suppose there is an array. Okay, let me tell you. Suppose this is an array 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the principal asks for 5. Is it here? Is it here? Can we find it here? The entire loop will pass till the third number, and no, there is no 5. So what we will do, we'll return -1. Okay, that's it. So here the value is given as what? Int ARR. So you can see in here x is asked as 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what I am understanding is the x is 3. So the index based value is 0, 1 and 2. So the output is coming as 2. Let me show you how this code will look like. I will take a for loop for length I equals to 0, I less than ARR dot length I plus plus. Okay. If ARR of I equals to x, then what should we return? The index. I return I. Okay. And if the entire loop is finished, and if we don't get the value, we'll just return it as return -1. That's it. That's it. Just check if it works. Still work. This is case 1 is done. And in here, yeah, okay, this is done. Okay. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. This problem is as I told you, like, this is having a time complexity of big of n time complexity. This is a very bad time complexity. Okay, the next lecture we'll be studying about binary search. It will be much more efficient than this, but let me tell you one thing. This linear search algorithm will only work, means it can work in both sorted and unsorted array, but binary search will only work in sorted array. Okay, it will not work in unsorted array. Linear search is both suitable for sorted and unsorted, and binary search is suitable for only sorted. Okay, this is it. Thank you for joining in. We will meet you in the next lecture.